Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Special greetings from Global Dahiratu de Krola, Earth and Spiritual Guideline. Earth tips. Having sexual intercourse but did not wait until he ejaculates might cause you to have urinary calculus. Stone-like mass might form in the body under abnormal condition. Get my miracle leaves to detox. Use it at least once in a month to detox. You need to detox your body every once in a month to give a new flesh to grow, And if you have a problem from the stomach, any kind of this problem from the stomach, either spiritual or natural problem, you need senna leaf. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, use senna leaf once in a year at least, but you need it. This is our senna leaf, but we've been preserved it with more zemzem and with more than 100 powerful leaves. We used to preserve it. It's very, very working effectively for problem of the spiritual problem, natural problem. Give Sheikh Afagba natural herbs, our miracle leaves. Give it a try and give thanks to Almighty Allah. All household need it. So get my caterpillar. This is transformer 1100 power. Is working for men. If you have problem with your ejaculation, with erection, you have problem with erection, you will be using it together with caterpillar, and you join it with miracle leaves. You get the 3 items together to treat yourself for your erection. If you have erection problem, you will be using our caterpillar. This is caterpillar and this is transformer together with the miracle leaves. You are fine. Your erection will be okay. You'll be doing well on the bed. And get our all-in-one natural herbs. Yeah, it's working for more than 300 ailments. Long-term sickness, spiritual sickness, even cancer patients are using it. If you have leukemia, this is the answer. Get my Iliam 2.5 human brain memory booster. Iliam is working for age people, adolescents, and also little kid. Get my bulldozer to met that fibroid. Yeah, any problem from the stomach that is causing woman not to be pregnant, you need bulldozer met fibroid. Met that fibroid in order not to be cancerous. And this is our terminator. It will create a solid barrier between you and the evil world. You chase evil and pray for